Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Matthew Eager, and I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of nuclear power and how it compares to more common sources of power generation like coal and natural gas. Let's start by discussing the process. The process that is used in nuclear power is called nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is when a neutron is introduced to the nucleus of a uranium-235 atom. This destabilizes the atom, causing it to split, creating two new stable atoms and more neutrons that will keep the process going. When the atoms split, it releases energy that can be harvested. This harvested energy is then used to run a steam turbine. There are many benefits to using nuclear power. One is that uranium has a very high energy density. What this means is that uranium has a high amount of energy per kilogram. This allows nuclear power plants to produce a large amount of power by only using a small amount of fuel. When compared to the energy densities of coal and natural gas, uranium comes out to be much larger. Coal has an energy density of 24 megajoules per kilogram, while natural gas has an average energy density of 58 megajoules per cubic meter. Meanwhile, uranium-235 has an energy density of 79,390,000 megajoules per kilogram. The second benefit of nuclear power when compared to natural gas and coal is that it creates no carbon emissions. While 1 ton of coal creates 5,720 pounds of carbon dioxide, natural gas generates 117 pounds of carbon dioxide per 1,000 cubic feet. Thank you for your time. For more information, you can look to the Department of Energy website on nuclear power.